अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला फॉर्मूला है I इज इक्वल्स टू P इंटू n प्लस 1 इंटू R होल डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू 12 इंटू 100। ठीक है, सो ये फॉर्मूला है इंटरेस्ट का, जहाँ पे हम लोग को क्वेश्चन में जब दिया रहेगा P, वेयर इज व्हाट इज P, P जो है वो है हमारा डिपॉजिट अमाउंट। व्हाट इज P, P है हमारा डिपॉजिट अमाउंट। क्वेश्चन में जो भी डिपॉजिटेड अमाउंट दिया रहेगा उसको हम लोग को P मानना है। ओके ठीक है। सेकेंड थिंग, व्हाट इज N, N क्या है, N जो है वो है 12 इंटू ईयर्स। ठीक है, अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे ये 12 को क्यों मैंने ईयर से मल्टीप्लाई किया है। सो सी, एन जो है वो निकालने के लिए हम लोग को 12 को नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, और ईयर जो है वो क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड होगा। लाइक सपोज क्वेश्चन में दिया रहेगा 2 ईयर्स, तो हम लोग को 12 से 2 को इंटू करना है तो एन निकलेगा। तो एन क्या हो जाएगा गाइस, 12 इंटू 2 24। सो एन का वैल्यू 24 होगा, एंड पी जो है वो अमाउंट डिपॉजिटेड है, तो पी के जगह में जो अमाउंट डिपॉजिटेड दिया रहेगा वो हम लोग पुट करेंगे, एंड एन की जगह में 12 इंटू 2 दैट इज 24। ठीक है, जस्ट अ एग्जाम्पल। So n की जगह में 12 into the number of years which is provided in the question. Okay, okay. Now second formula is maturity value. Maturity value को हम लोग MV से denote करते हैं। Maturity value is equals to P into N plus I. What is I? I का फॉर्मूला अभी मैंने बताया था, इंटरेस्ट है, दैट इज P इंटू n प्लस 1 इंटू आर होल डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू 12 इंटू 100, राइट। सो I का फॉर्मूला तो अभी मैंने इससे पहले बता दिया था। एंड व्हाट इज P, P इज द डिपॉजिटेड अमाउंट, एंड व्हाट इज N, N इज नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स इंटू 12। ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू इज। ठीक है, सो ये दो फॉर्मूला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इस चैप्टर को सही से बनाने के लिए, ये बहुत ईजी चैप्टर है। ठीक है, ये आसानी से हो जाएगा, एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड विद दिस चैप्टर बिकॉज ये बहुत ही ईजी है, ये जल्दी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। देन आई विल प्रोसीड विथ GST फॉर श्योर। ठीक है, सो अभी वी विल स्टार्ट विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। सो गाइस, क्वेश्चन 1 है, Shweta deposited rupees 350 per month in a recurring deposit account for 1 year at the rate of 8% per annum. Find the amount she will receive at the time of maturity. So इसमें सबसे पहली चीज़ जो हमारे नज़र में पड़ रही है वो है deposited. How much she deposited? Rupees 350. ठीक है, per month in a recurring deposit account फॉर 1 ईयर। नाउ सेकेंड चीज़ जो हमारे ध्यान में आ रही है दैट इज़ 1 ईयर। टाइम कितना दिया हुआ है, 1 ईयर। ठीक है, सो सबसे पहले हम लोग सी द ट्रिक फॉर एवरी सोल्यूशन इज़, जो भी क्वेश्चन में दिया रहता है उसको पहले सोल्यूशन में लिख ले। ठीक है, वो इजी हो जाता है सॉल्व करने के लिए। ठीक है, एंड द रेट ऑफ 8% पर एनम, रेट इज़ गिवन 8% पर एनम। ठीक है, एंड हम लोग को निकालना है अमाउंट शी विल रिसीव एट द टाइम ऑफ मेच्योरिटी। मतलब हम लोग को क्या निकालना है, मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू, दैट वाज MV, राइट। सो हम लोग को MV निकालना है, यानी मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू निकालना है। ठीक है, तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना। तो सबसे पहले एज आई सेड कि हम लोग गिवन लिखेंगे, क्या क्या गिवन है क्वेश्चन में। तो सोल्यूशन, डिपॉजिटेड रुपीज़ 350 पर मंथ। So deposited rupees 350 means deposited amount is 350, that is P is equals to rupees 350. Okay, now time given is 1 year, right, 1 year. So we remember the formula of N, that is equals to 12 into number of years, right. So यहाँ पे 12 into how many years, 1 year. So 12 into 1, that comes 12 itself. Okay, 12 only. Now we will find out the maturity value. But what is the formula of maturity value? Maturity value is equals to P into N plus I. P, we have P, right? What is given? These two things are given in the question. ठीक है, these two things are given already, but P is given 350, N is 12, right. So what left? I. For I we have to calculate I, the formula is, we know the formula of I is equals to P into N plus 1 into R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100, right. This was the formula of I. So we have to first calculate I, and then we will calculate the maturity value. We will calculate first I. Okay, So we will put the value of P, that is 350, right? So P is 350 into, what is N? N is 12. 12 into 12 plus 1 into, what is R? We have not written what is R. R is the rate of interest, that is 8% per annum. Okay, so R is 8 whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay, 0 0 cancel, 12 12 cancel, 2 4s are 8, 5 2 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 2 2s are 4. So there we get 7 into 2, 14, into 12 plus 1, 13. 14 into 13, rupees 182. So the value of I we got is rupees 182, right? So we will use this rupees 182 to find out the maturity value, right? So let's proceed. So guys, as you can see, I have wrapped the question because there was not enough space left for me to proceed with the solution. So now we will calculate the maturity value, right? So the formula of maturity value, I am repeating these formulas time and again so that you can, while watching the video, you can learn this formula too. Okay? So maturity value is equals to P into N plus I. Okay? So maturity value is equals to 350 into 12 plus 182. How we get 182 from the previous formula, right? So maturity value is equals to 350 into 12 is 4200 plus 182, that is 2834. So maturity value is answer 4382. Now question number 2, in which it is written Saloni deposited rupees 150 per month in a bank for 8 months, and if you guys notice here, it is written 8 months, not 8 years. Okay? I'll let you know how to proceed. Under the recurring deposit scheme, what will be the maturity value of her deposit if rate is 8% per annum? Okay, so Saloni deposited rupees 150 per month. So what is P? It is very clear, P is rupees 180, right? But N, the formula for N was 12 into years. But let me tell you, N was 12 into years, but that was the formula to convert N into number of months when it is given in years. ठीक है, मतलब अगर क्वेश्चन में नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स दिया है तो हम लोग को एन जो है वो नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स में, क्योंकि अगर आप लोग नोटिस करेंगे इन एवरी क्वेश्चन इट इज़ रिटन रुपीज़ डिपॉजिटेड रुपीज़ दिस दैट पर मंथ, रुपीज़ इतना, रुपीज़ 150 per month it is written, right? So we have to calculate n in terms of month, not year. Okay, that's why we are multiplying number of years into 12. By doing so we get the respective number of months. Got my point? कि n का हम लोग मंथ्स में निकालने के लिए उसको 12 से इंटू करते थे जब ईयर दिया रहता था, नंबर ऑफ ईयर जब दिया रहता था क्वेश्चन में तो उसको हम लोग 12 से इंटू करते थे मंथ्स में लाने के लिए. But here in this question it is already written 8 months, so the question itself is in months, so we don't have to convert it into a month, it is already in months, so we don't have to use this formula because year is not there, it is already months. So we will simply write n is equals to 8, that is 8 months. Okay, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे भी मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू निकालना है एट द रेट ऑफ 8% पर एनम. ठीक है, बस this question is same of that of the previous, but the difference is that was given 1 year, here it is written 8 months, so that is the simple difference between these two questions. P is equals to rupees 150, as it is given the deposited amount is rupees 150 and N is 8 months. Okay, and rate of interest is also 8% per annum. Okay, Now to calculate the maturity value, we have to first calculate the interest. So for interest, the formula is P into n plus 1 into R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100, right? So I is equals to P into n plus 1 into R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay, so what is P? P is rupees 150. So 150 into n is 8. 8 into 8 plus 1 into what is R is also 8 into 8 whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay, 0 0 cancel, 4 is 8, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 4 2 is 8. Everything cancel? No, it's left. 5 2 is 10, 2 2 is 4. Okay, so what is left? 2, 8 plus 1 into 9 into 2. So 4 into 9, that is 36 rupees. So the value of I is rupees 36. So we got the value of I is rupees 36. Now what is maturity value? The formula for maturity value is P into N plus I, right? So what is P? P is rupees 150 into what is N? N is 8 plus what is I? I is rupees 36. So 150 into 8 is 1200 plus 36. That is rupees 1236 answer. So the maturity value is rupees 1236. Now I have proceeded to question number 10 because the rest of the question in between are very easy. I hope you guys can do it. If you are unable to do any of the question, please do comment on the comment section. I'll surely make a video on the solution of those questions for sure. Okay, so now this is question number 10. This is also easy. Okay, now let's proceed. Mrs. Vasundhara has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 4 years at 10% per annum. She got rupees 6,370 as the interest on maturity. Find the monthly installment and the maturity value. So you guys know what is monthly installment? It is nothing but P. Okay, P is equals to monthly installment. So another one for P is monthly installment. Okay, sorry guys, my handwriting is a bit inappropriate. Okay, so P is equals to monthly installment. तो P को ही अदर वर्ड्स में मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है. सो अब तो और भी ईजी है, MV निकालना है एंड मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट दैट इज़ P निकालना है. ठीक है, तो निकल जाएगा. आई होप निकल जाएगा क्योंकि still I'll solve it here. So let's see what is given in the question. N is given, that is, so here it is written for 4 years, right? For 4 years. So N will be 12 into 4, that is 48 months. As we have to take out M in number of months, that way 12 into 4 is equals to 48 months. Okay, R is 10%, I is rupees 6,370. Okay, now we will take out P by the formula of I is equals to P into n plus 1 into R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay, so what is I is 6,370. 6,370 is equals to P into n. What is n? 48. 48 into 48 plus 1, 49 into 10. R is 10 whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay, so 10, 0 0 cancel, 12, 4 is 48, 2 2 is 4. So here it 2 5 is 10, 2 1 is 2. ठीक है, so here it is 6370 is equals to P into 49 whole divided by 5. ठीक है, so 5 P निकालने के लिए next step P is equals to, P will stay here, 5 will go that side, so it will become 6370 into 5 whole divided by 49. 5 will go this side and 49 will go downwards. Okay, so here it is not enough space, so we will write in the upside. That's why I have wrapped the question. So let's proceed from the next step. Equals to 6370 into 5 whole divided by 49. That is equals to 650. Okay, that is equals to 650. You will cut, you will get 650. Okay, okay, now maturity value. Next thing, that is we have to find the maturity value. So maturity value is equals to P into N plus I, where we have got the value of P, that is 650. This is the first answer. Now we will put 650 in place of P. So 650 into 48 plus what was the I? I is 6370. 6370. We get rupees 37,570 as answer. Okay, rupees 37,570 as answer of the maturity value. So the maturity value is 37,570. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, if you were able to understand even a single question, please do subscribe to my channel. That's it. Thank you.